Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, tomorrow there's going to be an event that is aimed at business mostly, but will be, I think, interesting for a lot of people. And we will actually have a little roundup of anything of interest tomorrow in the news. And we'll do kind of a little news item about this. So on April 5th, 2022 at 8 a.m. Pacific, that's 11 a.m. Eastern Time, there will be what's called the Windows Powers the Future of Hybrid Work event. It will be an event where the keynote, and it's Panos Panay for the keynote address, is going to be there. And of course, there's going to be the CEO, Satya Nadella, and a Windows Executive Vice President and Chief Product Officer, Panos Panay. What they are going to talk tomorrow, of course, is how the world has changed and how the hybrid work means that now there's going to be work in offices, but work from home, and how Windows, everything Windows has to do with that. And the reason why this might be interesting to actually watch tomorrow is the fact that it will be an event that might show us some either future features of Windows 11. It might actually also give us some features that are not yet in Windows 11 that might actually make it in the 22H2 version. So this is going to be something to check tomorrow. And you can actually view this event on your computer or any device as it's going to be streaming live. I'll post a link to the stream for tomorrow. And if you want to check out what's going to be here, you can, of course, watch it if you don't like that kind of event, but still want to know the big lines of what we've learned. I think that's going to be nice. I'll be making a video tomorrow that will actually kind of put all of the important things they've talked about, especially for Windows 11 and the future of Windows, basically. It's obvious they're going to focus on Windows 11. It's written everywhere. But it's going to be interesting to kind of have a roundup of it, and I'll be doing that tomorrow on the channel a little later after the event is over. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.